The Ripack 3000 kit box contains the assembly instructions, a Ripack 3000 shrink wrapper gun, a gas hose, a tightening key, a dual safety Securipack pressure regulator, remove the cover from the swivel connector, and screw the hose to the swivel connector. Connect the pressure regulator to the gas bottle. Attach the gas hose to the other end of the pressure regulator. For startup, open the shut-off valve of the cylinder by a quarter turn, then activate safety by moving the red button sideways. Make sure there are no leaks.